Nursery B would like to tell you something. Are you ready to listen? It's story time. Once upon a time, there lived a little beaver. Little beaver was really smart and he loved to talk, just like me. But beaver never listens. Do you know what was his favorite word? I need to talk. I tell people what to do.
One day, the beaver's dad said,
Beaver, Judah is plenty and not pine. But beaver never listens. Beaver to the pine tree and his mouth was stuck. He could not move his legs and all his friends yelled, Look at that! His friend said, Beaver, you are very smart, but you never listen. Then Beaver finally understood and promised to listen.
all his friends cheered.
Yay! Do you know why God has given us 2 ears and 1 mouth? I know! To listen more!
Oh, I am a good listener. I listen quietly. I close my mouth and open my ears when others speak to me. I always try to listen, 'cause listening is good. Oh, I am a good listener. I listen the way I should.
So, my friends, we should always learn to listen and listen to